MiG-29K aircraft has crashed in Goa on Saturday. The incident happened soon after the aircraft took off for a training mission. As per initial reports, both pilots have ejected safely. The aircraft was the trainer version of the widely used MiG-29 aircraft of the Indian Navy. One fire tender from Varna is on site and one from Margaon and Fire Force headquarters has been dispatched. Spokesperson Navy tweeted, during a training mission, after takeoff from INS Hansa at Debolima, MiG-29K trainer aircraft suffered an engine fire. The pilots Captain M. Sheikh Hunt and Lieutenant Commander Deepak Yadav ejected safely. MiG-29 trainer aircraft was flying from ashore. During recovery, there was a bird hit and the aircraft caught fire on the right engine. Aircraft crashed in an open and safe area. News Desk.